How to find your Twitter's username and password. Hello everybody, in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find your Twitter's username and password. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Twitter or X, and if you're trying to log And if you are trying to log into your account and you've forgotten your username and password, the first thing then you're going to have to do is go ahead and tap on this login option. Now you're going to have to find your username or password. So click on forgot password. Now from here, if you don't remember your username, you can just go ahead and enter your email address here. And I'm just going to go ahead and add my email address and then tap on next. So you're going to have to send a confirmation code to your email. And once you get the code, you're just going to have to enter it right here. But in order to find your username and current password, then for that, you'll have to open up your Google or Gmail first. Tap on the profile icon at the top right and manage your Google account. Then from here, all you have to do is tap on your data and privacy. Right besides that, you have security. And from here, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find password manager. Now find Twitter or X if you've saved its password and provide your PIN. And now if you tap on this eye icon, you'll be able to see your Twitter's password. So uh, once you have gotten your code on your Gmail, all you have to do is just copy the code. So here, as you can see, I've gotten a password reset request. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this code right here and then paste it on my X. Now here, I'm just going to paste it, then tap on next, and then you can enter your new password right here. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.